Hi families and students. I want to welcome you again to our classroom on the boat. So today I decided to go for a walk, and on my walk I began to notice that spring has really arrived. All of the trees have leaves on them. A lot of plants are starting to bloom, and that got me to thinking. I love to collect things from nature. My favorite thing to collect are leaves. So one of the things that you're going to have to do to be able to do some of our projects for this week is to go out on a walk with your family and collect different leaves from trees. So I'm going to share with you the first thing that we're going to get to do with our collection. So I have gone and found all kinds of different leaves. I love to do this because it gives me an opportunity to not only be a scientist, but I can also be a mathematician and an artist all at the same time. So with this first activity, we're going to be mathematicians. And we're going to look at the sizes of our leaves today. And so I have a whole bunch of different leaves, and you can see that they don't all look the same. Some do, like this one here. Oh, here, let's do this example here. So this one and this one are the same. So that is one thing you can notice. Another thing you can notice about leaves is their shapes. We'll talk more about that in our next video. But I just wanted to show you that I do have some leaves that are the same. And sometimes even leaves that are the same can be different sizes. For example, look at this leaf. This is a big leaf. So I notice that this is a big leaf, and I'm looking at my pile. I have one more. Let's see. What do you think? Is one of them bigger than the other? Oh, they're about the same. So I could say that this is my biggest leaf, and I can put it right here on the table. Then I look at my collection to see, do I have one that might be smaller than that? Let's check it out. Look at this. Here is another leaf. It's not the same as the one I just held up. And when I put it on top, see, I can kind of use one leaf to measure another leaf. I notice it is smaller. So I'm going to put it right here. And you can go in whatever order you want. You could go from the smallest leaf all the way up to the biggest leaf, or from the biggest down to the smallest. Okay, so I've got my two leaves right here. And let's see. Oh, check out this one. I'm going to set it on top. Where do you think it goes? Does it go this way? No, it is smaller than this one, so I'm going to put it right next to it. Look at, I'm starting to get a line of leaves from biggest to smallest. Let's see here. You know, the interesting thing is these leaves, some of them are similar. This one and this one are the same kind, from the same kind of tree, but one is really big and one is smaller. Let's take a look here. Oh, I happen to have, I'll do this one. Check out this leaf. I held it up before. It's a type of maple leaf, a Japanese maple. And look, friends, is it bigger or smaller than this one? Right, it's smaller, so I'm going to put it all the way right over here. And look, I have a line of leaves going from the smallest all the way up to the biggest. I wonder how many leaves you can find and what sizes they are. Until next time.